let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Tango Gold level choreography with teaching count. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with 2 walks, very basic figure. We continue with progressive link, turning slightly to right, and then chase. This is short version which finishes in promenade position. Then we dance open promenade, which we turn slightly to right, and then we continue with progressive side step reverse turn, which includes closed finish. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, facing diagonally to wall, and we walk diagonally to wall. Progressive link, we start diagonally to wall, turn to promenade, and continue with chase diagonally to wall. We change direction down line of dance and end in promenade, ready to move diagonally to center with open promenade. We finish open promenade down line of dance and continue with progressive side step reverse turn. We turn against line of dance and we finish down line of dance and then facing diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.